What's going on, buddy? My name is ZealetPrince. Welcome back to yet another reaction video. Today we're checking out another video by Alex Spider. This just actually came out the day of me recording this because I had a bunch of other recordings planned for today. And this video came out on top of my plans for today. So I decided to add it to my list of things to react to for today's mini sessions of recordings. It's a continuation of the Mario Kart race that Alex Spider has been making the last couple of weeks, rather the last month or so now, and it's a continuation of the series, even though it doesn't say like the actual part of it in the top of the video itself, like part 4, part 5, or anything else like that. But it is a continuation of the race, and I don't entirely remember what happened at the end of the last video, as when I recorded that video, it was like maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago by this point. Let me check the time frame again. No, it was 2 weeks ago, but a lot has happened in the last 2 weeks, so I don't entirely remember everything that exactly happened in that video. So that's on my part, but as the video starts, the memories will instantly start coming back to me. It's just that I can't remember anything off the top of my head in this moment in time. So I'm drawing a complete blank. But regardless, that's not going to stop me from clicking play on this video. So we're going to get started right now. In 3, 2, 1, go. I thought my mouse was on the other screen for some reason. Alright, everybody's trying to catch up. Lap break area. Oh yeah, that's right. Kirby took over Alex's Spider. Like I said, the memories are starting to come back to me. I didn't even name the video. I'm an idiot. Kirby eats a semi-truck in the Mario Kart. I didn't even name the video. I just noticed that. I never do that. My bad. Warrior's gonna get his shit pushed in.
Oh my god!
Wow. Yep. Kirby's a menace in this series so far. Alex has definitely seen some stuff. Yep. It still amazes me how fast he gets all these videos out. What are you still angry about? Oh yeah, her. I forgot. Oh, he's gonna eat everything.
Hey!
Kirby, you're not Pac-Man. Stop.
The cars are so slow. They look like they're not moving.
Better take that back about our carts.
Else what?
I'm gonna get you.
Oh yeah? Well, I'll show you.
Mario Brothers versus the friends.
Amy.
Sonic's friends.
Hey, come on!
I forgot she was in this series. We haven't seen her in a hot minute.
Wait up, Sonic!
Actually, I don't think I've seen Amy in any other video Alex Spider's really done. At least not on the top of my head. Where's Shadow, by the way?
Hey, you there. You better pay us our damages for our instruments. You too, for hitting our car.
Wait, what?
Calm down, Yumi. This place
Who
is
are these
so
two?
relaxing. I don't want to see you guys fighting.
Whose truck was this again? I forgot. Not Vin Diesel's. Oh wait, Cassidy. Oh, it's her. We haven't seen this character in a hot minute. The last time I think we saw her in a video, I think was God, how long ago was it? It was the Cursed Mario 64 video, and that came out 2 months ago. That character hasn't made any kind of appearance since. So that character completely left my mind. I got the hiccups now because I've been drinking the water too quickly. Uh-oh. These robots are back. Uh-oh.
Get him!
They really just came up and said, "Hey, let's shoot." Instead of just going after Kirby, that was causing them the main problem, though, let's just shoot everyone. I think Alex is the only one with an actual gun. Oh, and he takes her vehicle. What is this sound effect? Where is it from? Yeah, my thoughts exactly, boys. What the fuck? Who are these robots anyway? Why is Kirby such a menace in the series? Nice.
Let's go, shorty.
Oh, Inkling Girl's at it. Nice. Everyone's ganging up on the robots. Oh, there goes Mario's car! Who just shot? Wait. Oh, yeah, of course, it was her.
Hey, thanks, man.
Heck yes.
Mario doesn't have a car anymore.
Wow.
Does it mean he's out of the race? What are they? One up fuel? A new cart?
Let's go.
Oh, hey, hang on a second. I almost missed that. I almost missed that a second ago. Mimi's back there. And now that I think about it, that engineer, he's also familiar from another video. I think it was one of the first few reactions I started doing to Alex Spider a couple years ago. Now that I think about it, let me go all the way back for a second. Everybody Visits Ohio. I don't think I didn't react to the first one of Everybody Visits Ohio, but I did react to the second one that followed not long after. And that where I mainly remember now the engineer and Mimi from those two videos specifically. I almost missed her for a second because I looked at her and then I noticed something red in the background. Almost missed them. Almost missed that little Easter egg. And we're back to the races. Guess the robot threat is done for. It had a lot more than I actually expected, but I have to continue to ask this question. Why is Kirby such a goddamn menace in every single one of these videos? There's a fire truck in the background. Why is he a menace? Why you like this? Why are you like this? Regardless, it was a pretty cool animation. And we saw some characters we haven't seen in God knows how long. I mean, like, there's the Mimi and Engineer, particularly from the Ohio series, we haven't seen in almost 2 years in any of the other content that Alex Spider has uploaded. And the girl, what was her name? Cassidy, was it? Yeah, Cassidy Ra. We haven't seen her since the cursed Nintendo 64 videos that Alex Spider uploaded a couple months ago. And it appears to be a series, but Alex hasn't continued it. Instead, he's doing the Mario Kart Tour videos right now. So I guess he's focusing on the Mario Kart Tour videos for the time being, and then he gives him more time to work on the storyline he wants to make for Cursed Mario 64. And that could be my only current assumption. Yeah, I guess that's the point of this right now. But we'll have to wait as more of the videos come out, especially for this. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next reaction video. Bye.